Welcome to this charming one-level home on nearly 9 acres in beautiful Kingsport, Tennessee. With 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,339 square feet, this property blends character, quality construction, and privacy. Provides convenience, while a large detached building offers endless possibilities for a workshop, storage, or hobby space. This home is ideal for anyone seeking room to grow, privacy, and a home they can make their own. While some updates would elevate the property even further, it's already a rare opportunity to gain instant equity in a home built with craftsmanship you don't often see. Outside, nearly 9 acres of land give you space to roam, explore, and enjoy nature right in your backyard. Imagine evenings spent under the stars, hobbies pursued in your detached building, or simply enjoying the peace and quiet that comes with country living. This is your chance to combine comfort, potential, and acreage all in one property. Don't miss the opportunity to make this Kingsport gem your very own.